Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how we can block users on the Wi-Fi. So before doing that, let's open the command prompt. If you are using Windows, you can go to CMD and put iconfig command like this. And if you are using Linux, then you can just config it like this. Once you have the details, you can see that your IP address is 192.168.1.13, right? So just go and open Chrome now. So I'll just put 192.168.1.1. So now enter this. Now it will open the gateway of your internet provider. And usually the password is admin. And also make sure that you change the password of this portal, because if someone is connected to your Wi-Fi, for example, and if they log in using the default password and username, then they can do a lot of things with your devices which is connected in Wi-Fi. So make sure the password is changed and then log in it. Once it is opened, then go to security and then click on MAC filter. Scroll down and under Wi-Fi SSID, you have few options, right? So for example, MAC filter mode. So this has allowed and blocked as a drop down. If you want to create a allowed list and you don't want any other device to be connected, then you will be creating allowed list. And in case if you want only specific MAC addresses to be blocked and rest you want to allow, then you can create a blocked list accordingly. I want to create allowed list. Select SSID1 custom setting, and here you can directly enter the MAC address. So what is the MAC address? MAC address is this. I'll just copy it. And in case if you don't know the exact MAC address and you know the name, so you can go and select this drop down as well. Anyone which is connected to your Wi-Fi, the list will be here like this. And in this case, you can directly select that and the MAC address will appear here. Now once it is done, you just go and save it. Now you can see that we have MAC address in the first row here. That means this is the allowed list. If I go and log out right now, so that means only this MAC address will be allowed to be connected to my Wi-Fi address. And in case if I want to block it, I'll just change allowed to blocked, and then this MAC address will be blocked from the Wi-Fi address. With the help of this, you can manage your users connecting to your Wi-Fi, and this is a very good method to make your home Wi-Fi more secure. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.